This is sour. This is sweet. Nature has everything you need. Trust me. If you didn't know, now you know that nature has everything you need, even candy. So what your kids are craving for is this right here. So if they want something sweet, if they have a little sweet tooth, get them some dates. This is nature's candy. If they want something sour, like them Skittles and lollipops and lemon heads and all of that sour stuff, get them some tamarinds. Tamarinds. So if your kids have cavities from eating all that candy and all that sugar, this is the only sugar that they need. And it's healthy sugar. If they have cavities from eating sour Skittles and sour patches and I don't know what other candies is out there, airheads and lemon lifesavers, gummies and gummy bears and all of that, get them some tamarinds and dates. That's sour. This is like a ooh. Hey, nature has everything we need. Your kids don't have to have cavities. Your kids can still crave the sweetness. They can still crave the sourness. We have to take care of ourselves. CELLS. CELLS. We have to take care of ourselves. We have to take care of our children's selves. We have to care about them. Because if we don't, they will have diseases in the vessel. Diseases. They're not hydrated. They're not drinking enough water. They're not drinking enough juice. Natural juices with natural sugars. So if you need assistance in making your foods and candies in an alternative, link is in the bio. You can DM me. A healthy alternative to everything you eat and everything your children eats. DM me. Because nature is the way to reverse diseases in our vessels. Nature has everything we need. You want something sweet? Okay. You want some nachos? You crave chicken, nachos, hamburgers? It's an alternative for that, literally. I have a walnut meat substitution that you can make burgers with, nachos with. I have a nacho plant-based cheese that you can make, like literally. All of my videos is in a guidebook just for you, a recipe guidebook just for you and your family, because I care about my cells and I care about my community cells. I have a 3-year-old daughter and I consistently make sure she's good. If she wants something sweet, here's some dates. This is going to help for your reproductives. This is going to help balance out your hormones. This is going to help your liver. This is going to help all types of things with dates. And it's straight from nature. It's not artificially flavored. It doesn't have any dyes or chemicals or preservatives. It doesn't make you have cavities. It's straight from nature, right into your vessel, going straight to where it needs to go. All the minerals are going straight to where it needs to go. It's no confusion in your body of where this goes. But if you have other types of candies with dyes and artificial colors and preservatives, your body's going to be confused on where it goes. So it's just going to sit in your gut. It's not even going to go to the places that it's needed to go. So I just wanted to come on here and say that Get you nature's candy. Okay? Stop all that artificial candies. You don't need it. You don't need it. This is sweet and this is sour. Literally. What else are you craving for? Do you like the sweet one or do you like the sour one?
I like that one. It's so soury. I like sweet one. It's so sweet. I like sweet ones.
You like the sweet one?
Yeah.
You like the sweet one better than the sour one?
Yeah.
You a sweet tooth one. And that's sour. So you got sour candy and you got sweet candy.
Yes.
That's candy.